Alright, so once you have your 2-speed pistons, your bearings installed, you can go ahead and put your shaft in there. And once your shaft's in there, we can drop the saddle down. Go ahead and feel that your saddle's in place and it's not loose and wiggling around. Once your saddle's in place, I like to take the skinny end and put it towards the base. Skinny end's in. Then we can sit that there, grab our rotating group. Make sure you have all 3 of your pins in. Throw that little hat over the pins, make sure that's down all the way. Then we can throw our pistons in there. And just a little check, make sure they're good. Nothing catching. Then I'll even them out. And we will take that. I like to wiggle it back and forth until it locks in there. And you'll feel it slide through. Once that is in, we can go ahead and take our brake pack and throw that in there. Once that is in, got our next part here. With this one, when you install it, you want that side with the seal down first. Put that down, smack it all the way down. Once that is all the way down, you can take this one and you're going to line up your pinholes with these ones right here. Don't forget the little hat that goes right on top of that shaft there. Make sure your valve plate is on the correct way. You don't want that side up. Make sure this side's going straight down right over that. And me, I like to throw a little bit of grease around the mating surface as well before I throw that on. And after that, you're ready to throw it up over top and get your bolts in.